KOVNLO heated vest keeps you nice and warm during those cool, wintry fall to spring days. Camping, hiking, biking, boating, fishing, you name it. This is KOVNLO. It's a heated vest in nylon material, intelligent heating with 3 temperature modes and 8-zone unit. You can independently control each of the zones and only all 8 zones. On the zones, you have in the front and the lower abdomen 2 heating pads. They are located inside, right over here, on each of the sides. On the back of the unit, you have it on your neck, your shoulders, in the center, and 2 in the back as well. There is a flap for the neck, so if you want to take the flap, lift it up, and get higher on the neck, you can do so, or tuck it inside your shirt to get even warmer heat. We have 3 temperature zones. In red, 149 degrees. In green, 131 degrees. In blue, 113 degrees. You have the ability to come over here and hit the lower button to shut the lights off and hit any of the buttons to turn the light on. You simply press the buttons to change the zones as shown. They'll cycle through. When you're done with the heat, all you do is hit the center button, hold it down for a number of seconds, up to 3, and it shuts off. You have the option to purchase your own battery or the KOVNLO battery. This is a power bank. Inside will be where you hook in your KOVNLO power bank that is sold separately for this unit. It has 4 soft white increment LEDs, 25%, 10,000 milliamp battery with the USB-C and the USB-A port. You could charge your phone as an emergency as well with the unit. You can add yourself your own power bank. It turns the unit on and run the unit unlimited time with a number of power banks. When you're all done with the unit and you want to clean the unit, you are given a laundry bag. We're able to wash our vest and allow it to dry in time in the dryer and pull out and wear again. This is KOVNLO's fleece-lined vest. The KOVNLO makes many products in the heating apparel. This product may be something that you are looking for to keep you nice and warm on those fall to spring days. It has a tab that you can pull in to the side, tighten up. Here is the back tab that goes over your shirt or underneath like so. And the heating elements all over. I hope you enjoy your heated vest if this is what you are looking for.